Ever wondered how automakers are able to gather so much data on you? Here's a secret nobody seems to know. Your car might be quietly invading your digital privacy. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been quietly brewing beneath the surface: how automakers are invading your digital privacy. With the advent of connected cars, your vehicle might be collecting more data about you than you realize. From your driving habits to your personal information, automakers are tapping into a gold mine of data. So buckle up as we explore this intriguing and somewhat unsettling aspect of modern car ownership. The rise of connected cars. The first thing to understand is the rise of connected cars. The rise of connected cars marks a significant evolution in the automotive industry. Modern vehicles have transformed from mere transportation tools into sophisticated, interconnected systems. Equipped with advanced sensors, GPS, and internet connectivity, these cars communicate with each other, infrastructure, and personal devices. This connectivity enhances the driving experience by providing real-time traffic updates, advanced safety features, and seamless entertainment options. For example, drivers can receive alerts about road hazards, enjoy integrated navigation with live traffic data, and stream music directly from their car system. However, this technological advancement brings challenges, particularly concerning privacy. Connected cars continuously collect and transmit data, including routes taken, driving behavior, and personal preferences. This data collection creates a detailed digital profile of the driver, which can be exploited if not properly managed. Concerns about who has access to this information, how it is used, and the potential for data breaches are significant as the industry moves forward. Balancing the benefits of connected cars with robust privacy protections will be crucial to ensure that these innovations enhance our lives without compromising our personal data. Data collection in cars. So what kind of data are we talking about? Connected cars collect an extensive range of data, far beyond basic metrics. They track your location, speed, and fuel usage, but that's just the beginning. These vehicles monitor your driving style, such as how you accelerate, brake, and handle the vehicle. If you use voice-activated features, they can even record your in-car conversations. Additionally, they collect data on your phone usage, the music you listen to, and the destinations you visit. Frequently, all this information is transmitted back to the automakers. This data serves various purposes. It helps improve vehicle performance and enhances safety features, and can even be used to deliver personalized advertisements directly to you. Automakers analyze this data to understand driving patterns and preferences better, ultimately aiming to create more tailored and efficient vehicles. However, the sheer volume and depth of this data collection often go unnoticed by the average driver. The implications for privacy are significant, as this constant monitoring can create detailed profiles of drivers' habits and preferences. It's crucial for drivers to be aware of the extent of data being collected and consider how it's used and protect it. How automakers use your data. Now let's talk about how automakers are using all this data. Automakers leverage the vast amount of data collected from connected cars for multiple purposes. Primarily, this data is used to enhance the driving experience by improving vehicle performance, enabling predictive maintenance, and ensuring safety. For example, data on driving habits can help automakers develop advanced driver assistance systems and refine vehicle designs. However, there's a deeper, more commercial layer to this data utilization. Automakers often partner with tech companies and advertisers to monetize the information collected. They can sell your data to third parties who use it to create highly targeted marketing campaigns. For instance, if your car's data indicates frequent visits to coffee shops, you might start seeing personalized ads for coffee chains on your social media feeds. While this level of personalization can be convenient and offer benefits like targeted discounts, it also raises significant privacy concerns. The extensive data collection and sharing practices mean that detailed profiles of your habits and preferences are being created and used in ways you might not be fully aware of. This underscores the importance of transparency and robust privacy protections in the age of connected cars. Legal and ethical concerns. This brings us to the legal and ethical concerns surrounding data collection in cars. Currently, regulations in many regions are unclear or insufficient, creating a murky landscape for data governance. There are no definitive guidelines on what data can be collected, how it should be securely stored, or who has access to it. Privacy advocates argue that drivers are not adequately informed about the extent of data being collected or how it might be used. Many drivers are unaware that their driving habits, locations, and even personal conversations can be monitored and recorded. This lack of transparency is a major ethical issue. Moreover, the risk of data breaches is a serious concern. If sensitive information is not adequately protected, it can lead to identity theft, fraud, and other cybercrimes. Hackers targeting connected cars could potentially access personal data, compromising drivers, privacy, and security. As automakers continue to innovate and integrate advanced technologies into vehicles, the need for robust privacy protections is more urgent than ever. Clear regulations, transparent data practices, and stringent security measures are essential to safeguard drivers' information and address the legal and ethical challenges posed by connected cars. What you can do to protect your privacy, to protect your digital privacy as a car owner, there are several proactive steps you can take. First, educate yourself about your vehicle's data collection practices. Read the privacy policy carefully to understand what information is being collected and how it's used. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions about your privacy. Next, adjust the settings on your car's infotainment system to limit data sharing. Many systems allow you to disable or restrict certain features. Turn off any features you do not use or that you find overly invasive, such as location tracking or voice-activated services. Additionally, stay informed about new regulations and developments in data privacy. Advocacy for stronger privacy protections can lead to more robust laws and standards offering better protection for all consumers. As we move further into the digital age, the line between convenience and privacy continues to blur. While connected cars offer incredible benefits, they also pose significant risks to our digital privacy. By staying informed and proactive, we can enjoy the advantages of modern technology without compromising our personal data. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on technology and privacy. But wait, we do not stop here. Hackers can now break into your car remotely. Are you prepared? In our latest video, we expose the shocking truth about how vulnerable modern vehicles are to cyber attacks. Find out how these hacks happen and what you can do to protect yourself.
Motor Master. Are you aware that hackers can now break into your car in a time where technology is everywhere?